Video we're going to be talking about how to enroll in Charles Schwab Online Access and step by step. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Charles Schwab application. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on Get Started at Schwab, just like that. And now simply go ahead and either open an account or register for your workplace retirement plan. So I'm going to click on Open Account. Now all you need to do is select what you want to actually go ahead and open. So whether it is brokerage, retirement, automated investing, checking, custodial, small business, estate planning. I'm just going to do checking for now. You can also select individual checking or joint checking. Click on individual for now. And now you're going to be taken to this pop-up window right over here. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and provide them the information that they're going to ask for. So your first name, your middle name, your last name, your suffix. They're also going to ask you whether your current home is in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the US Virgin Islands. They're also going to go ahead and ask you for your email and your phone number to contact. And they're also going to go ahead and ask you for your SSN and so on. Once you've entered everything about yourself, then they'll send you a verification code to the mobile number or email, and simply go ahead and enter your user ID and password, and your account will be created. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.